Making waymarker posts the day before the footpath clearance. 36 waymarker posts were made and most of them will be installed on the Oldham Way. Thanks to Paul's knowledge and skills and a little teamwork, can save a lot of money. Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again this week. When? Tuesday the 14th of May, on our fourth visit to finish off works on footpath 9 Royton, where Tandle Hill Park. This footpath is to the left hand side of the gate entrance and takes you round and down to Oozewood Road. What? Installed a waymarker post and perforated land drains in a very muddy section of this footpath. Who? 5 volunteers out this week: Ken, Paul, Mike, Martin and Neil. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Keep on walking.